In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to import and export widgets in WordPress. Do you want to move widgets from one site to another? To do so, all you need to do is install a plugin. Simply hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Let's search for the Widgets importer. This is the plugin we're looking for. Simply click on the Install plugin, and once installed, click on Activate plugin. Now, to configure the plugin, hover over Tools and click on Widgets Importer and Exporter. Here you can import or export the widgets easily. To export widgets, simply click on the Export Widgets button here. You can see the widget file has been downloaded here. In order to import widgets, you can simply browse the file here and click on Import Widgets. As of now, the widgets already exist on this site. And this is how easy it is to import and export widgets in WordPress. Now, we've got various other videos related to WordPress that can help you in building your site in a much easier way. I've linked a few of them here in the description below, but you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the videos. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.